Hi, my name's Kristen, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. The reason I've chosen to do this look is because of a tweet I've found from Lauren_Eileen99. She's invited anyone interested to participate in a collaboration by doing a look with any Anastasia palette and posting it on Insta under the hashtag ABHLegends2020. So I'm going to show you how I achieved the look on this eye. It's kind of a mysterious smoky look that I like to do from time to time using my favorite shade in the palette called Sponsored. So I've gone ahead and primed my eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I just find it works a lot better with their palettes than any other eye primer. So if you're going to get one of their palettes, I would suggest getting the primer as well. And you can use it with other palettes as well. I mean, it's not just limited to theirs, but it does look really great with the Jackie Aina palette, and yeah. So first things first, I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and this shade Ginger. I'm going to take just a tap of it and tap it off on the edge of the palette so there's no fallout. And I'm going to go all along the crease and then up sort of in the inner corner, but slightly higher, just up to the edge there. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the same fluffy brush and go in with Credit. It's a darker brown shade. And I'm just going to go in the very outer part of the crease and then slightly below to deepen up that look. So now that it's all blended out, and it might be looking a little bit messy now, but that's okay because we're going to go in with that Sponsored shade, which is like a brownish duochrome green. And I'm going to go all across the lid and then slightly up into the crease to sort of make it blend in and create just this sort of smoky look that just really like gives it a whole sheen and pop, and It really looks good. I don't know how to describe it, but it looks good. So first things first, I'm just going to spray my brush with my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Now that I've done that, I'm going to tap into Sponsored. I'm going to start with the lid because that's where I want the majority of the product to be. By the way, I used a flat shadow brush to do that, and with the same type of brush, without the spray on the other side, I'm just going to flip it over from one side to the other so that the dry side goes into Sponsored now. I'm going to carry it up a little bit into the crease like I was talking about to create that blown out smoky look. As you can see, I didn't cover up the entire crease, just slightly. Now finally what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into that first fluffy brush and just blend it all out. Now with the edge of the flat brush, not either side, but sort of the tip like here, I'm going to dip into Credit, that darker brown, and I'm going to go along my bottom lash line and just create sort of like an eyeliner look here. I'm just going to carry that bottom area up into the outer corner so that it's all very cohesive. If I need to, I dip in a little bit with the brown. It looks a little crazy now, but don't worry, once everything's done and I have some lashes and liner on, it's going to look great. But first, before that, we're going to go into a smaller brush and gather up some of Soleil, which is a highlight shade that I'm going to be using. It's kind of a golden light looking color, and I'm going to go right along the brow bone like so. Just a touch of it because it is very impactful and pigmented, so I don't want it to overshadow the rest of the look. Right now I'm finding it doesn't look too blended, so I'm going to go in with that first fluffy brush again and just blend it out a little bit more, especially along this outer corner. One thing I'm going to do, because right now it's a bit messy on the inner corner, and I like to do this a lot, is go in with an eye makeup remover pad. I fold it in half like this, usually they're round, and I create a line and a point, and use that sort of edge to clean up my inner corner before going in with the same highlight shade. That was Soleil, by the way. Just going to make sure it's dry by using the back of my finger. And then I just do a sort of rounded motion like this. Don't know if you can see. Just kind of like that. And create a nice bright inner corner highlight. I really like the shade Soleil for that. It just really brings out like that highlight. I'm going to do this other eye off camera. So this is how this smoky dark look is going to appear before you've done anything else. Right now I don't have any face makeup, any eyebrows, any lashes or eyeliner. The only eyeliner I'm actually going to add is in my upper lash line. I'm going to do a little bit of black just to make it look more cohesive when I add on my false lashes. So because the challenge is actually to just use an ABH palette to do an eye look, I'm going to go ahead and do everything else off camera and then get back to you to talk about it a bit more. So I've zoomed you out a bit so you can see the finished look. Here we go. The lip that I used is called Ashton. It's an Anastasia Beverly Hills matte formula, and it is sort of a rosy brown, and I think it goes really well with this look. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing how this look was created, and a big thanks to Lauren Aline for hosting this collab. Don't forget to check out hashtag ABHLegends2020 for more amazing eye looks. That's all for now. Please subscribe below for more. Like if you like, don't if you don't. Bye for now.